Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Just giving you a little short video today with my tomatoes and how I had us put the stake and tie them on the stake because everything was on the ground. So I had also put sticks to keep them up because I don't know if you could see down between there, but right now they start bearing a lot of blossom. So if you really want to harvest a lot from them, you got to keep them up in the air. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Keep them up in the air that I can harvest a lot. And in a little, maybe a couple weeks from now, I'm going to be picking all these big leaf. Because all these big leaf from the bottom, because all them leaf is taken from the plant. So I'm going to come and I'm going to clip all of them. So the plant, more substance could go to the fruit instead of these leaves draining the plant. So these are key to tomato plant. You want them to bear a lot? Make sure you stake them out. I mean, there's many different ways you can do it, but I do it this way because it don't cost me a dime. And at the end of the day, I harvest a lot, so I make it work. So it's up to you. You see where they do another video, you want to follow them and it costs you an arm and a leg, that's your decision. But with me, I'm going to do it the cheaper way. And at the end of the day, I might even harvest more than what they are getting harvesting. So this is a little short video I gave you with the tomatoes. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.